Welcome to the final part of our Cairo tour. Today, we explore the hidden gems and modern revitalization projects that define the city's evolving soul. Our journey begins at Al Azhar Park, a stunning 30-hectare green lung built atop what was once a municipal dump for 500 years. It offers a peaceful respite from the urban bustle, with dramatic views of the 12th century Ayyubid walls and the towering citadel. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. In the district of Heliopolis stands the Barren Palace, a bizarre and beautiful masterpiece inspired by the Hindu temples of Cambodia and India. Built by a Belgian industrialist in the early 20th century, its walls are a riot of mythological figures, from Indian dancers to stone elephants. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. When the sun sets, we head to Muaz Street. Under its specialized lighting, this medieval thoroughfare becomes a pedestrian-friendly, living museum. The street comes alive with the sound of live oud music and locals gathering at cafes, bridging the gap between Cairo's past and present. Tucked away on Rota Island is the Nilometer, one of the oldest Islamic structures in Egypt, dating back to the 9th century. This ancient scientific instrument was critical for predicting harvests and determining taxes based on the river's annual flood level. On Gezira Island, the Cairo Opera House stands as a symbol of cultural synthesis, a gift from Japan that blends modern and Islamic design. It is the heart of Egypt's high arts, hosting everything from classical symphony and ballet to contemporary jazz and traditional Arabic maqam. Cairo is a city that never stops moving, constantly revitalizing its historical layers to meet the needs of a new generation. As our three-part journey concludes, we see a city that is as much about its future as it is about its legendary past. Thank you for walking with us through the mother of the world. We hope you've enjoyed this tour of Cairo's timeless wonders. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.